What is the metaverse? For decades, the grand potential of virtual worlds existed only in the pages of science fiction novels. Today, metaverse is one of the buzziest words in tech and is being enthusiastically embraced by software and game developers across industries, ranging from crypto and gaming to social media. The metaverse has become a very real phenomenon, featuring a number of thriving platforms with increasingly extensive crypto integrations. A metaverse is a shared, immersive virtual world in which players, usually represented by avatars, can interact with each other, construct experiences, and create in-world objects and landscapes. Metaverses typically have their own intrinsic economies and currencies, with which users can buy, sell, and trade digital real estate, items, avatar accessories, and more. You can experience the metaverse via a computer, virtual reality (VR) headset, or smartphone. Specifically, a crypto metaverse is a metaverse that incorporates blockchain into its underlying technology and crypto assets, such as metaverse tokens, into its economy. Examples of crypto metaverses and protocols that incorporate metaverse elements include Decentraland, Cryptovoxels, Alien Worlds, Axi Infinity, and the Sandbox. While metaverse-like environments have existed in massive multiplayer online games for some time now, the incorporation of blockchain, crypto, and VR into the sector is not just drastically altering who can participate and what they can do, but also demonstrating the real-world market value of assets, interactions, and experiences earned in the digital realms of blockchain games. Metaverse crypto assets and items, such as digital land and objects, for example, are typically represented by different types of metaverse tokens. Their ownership is recorded on the blockchain and can even be exchanged for digital assets like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether (ETH) on a number of decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Increasingly, the real world is moving to the metaverse. A variety of companies, both mainstream and crypto-native, have set up virtual headquarters in crypto metaverses and regularly hold virtual events and festivals attended by thousands of people. For example, in 2021, famed auction house Sotheby's opened a digital replica of its London headquarters in blockchain game Decentraland. The space boasts a multi-room virtual art gallery that metaverse users can peruse. Likewise, Decentraland regularly hosts live music events, conferences, and meetups. Key features of crypto metaverses. Designers of crypto metaverses have generally sought to distinguish their worlds from earlier iterations of metaverses in several key ways. Decentralization. While early virtual worlds were owned and controlled by companies, crypto metaverses are typically decentralized, with some or all components of metaverse games built on blockchain technology. This means that blockchain metaverses themselves tend to diverge from the mainstream business structures and value extraction models of today's gaming industry. The unique structure of blockchain games can open up more equitable engagement opportunities for participants. It also means that ownership of the metaverse itself is shared amongst its participants. Even if the original creators of the metaverse blockchain were to walk away, the game itself could continue to exist in perpetuity. User governance. Crypto metaverses like Decentraland make use of decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, and governance tokens to help put their users in control of the game's future, allowing them to drive changes and updates through voting. In this way, metaverses can be more than just crypto games. They can grow into entire societies with economies and democratic leadership. Provable improvements. In-world items in crypto metaverses take the form of crypto tokens, such as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Achievements and acquisitions in gaming environments can represent huge value to gamers. NFT update the standards of in-game items with much-needed transparency and access to asset markets. Because every NFT is unique, metaverse tokens and items can be coded to easily help prove the improvements of in-game, user-generated content, as well as NFT gaming assets. Real-world economic value. Because crypto metaverses use crypto tokens and blockchain infrastructure, their economies are directly connected to the wider crypto economy. This allows holders of metaverse tokens, avatar skins, and digital real estate to trade them on DEX and NFT marketplaces, commanding real-world value for their in-world investments. Metaverse games are a social and investment opportunity, while crypto metaverses and NFT games in general are still in the early stages of development. These new worlds present intriguing social and financial opportunities for the future. Crypto metaverses can offer users new ways to play, invest, gather, and interact, and to earn from it all. Further, while development on the myriad singular metaverse platforms is highly noteworthy, it's the potential for the various metaverse games to interact and interoperate with one another that could drive the budding blockchain gaming ecosystem into a pillar of the global economy. By incorporating the immersive environments of VR, the addictive playability of video games, the interactivity of social media, and the value propositions of crypto, metaverse games are poised to become a central element in the next phase of the internet. 3 metaverse cryptocurrencies investors can't stop buying. The Sandbox. Just how insatiable has the appetite been for metaverse-focused digital currencies? The Sandbox, SAND, is one of the top-performing cryptocurrencies since the beginning of 2021, with a gain approaching 13,000% as of Jan 14. What makes the Sandbox and other decentralized blockchain-based gaming platforms so intriguing is their complete 180-degree turn from traditional gaming. Whereas game developers on consoles or PC-based gaming retain ownership of all creations, the Sandbox allows users to own their creations as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. An NFT provides irrefutable proof of ownership for a digital asset stored on blockchain. This makes blockchain-based gaming a powerful play-to-earn tool, which will undeniably draw in users. The Sandbox is a play-to-earn game built on the Ethereum, ETH-2.25% blockchain. SAND, the primary token of the game, can be used to buy digital plots of land, as well as purchase in-game goods or customize an avatar. SAND tokens can also be staked to earn passive income, which might be additional SAND tokens or other types of tokens required for asset creation. Assets in the game include things like people, animals, and tools. The Sandbox allows users a variety of ways to monetize their creations, including renting out their digital assets, creating games on their digital lands, earning rewards by playing games on other users' lands, or even selling assets in a digital marketplace. Decentraland. Another metaverse cryptocurrency that investors simply can't get enough of is Decentraland. Mana -3.69%. Investors holding the primary token, Mana, have only been rewarded with gains of close to 3,500% since the beginning of 2021. Not to sound like a broken record, but Decentraland is built atop the Ethereum blockchain, with users interacting in a virtual world based on digital land ownership. Although Mana is the primary token of the platform, land is the NFT that defines ownership of digital real estate on Decentraland. The game is constantly evolving to include new user interactions and animations that encourage users to build out their land, as well as visit other users throughout the game. Similar to the Sandbox, Decentraland users have the ability to monetize their land tokens, which are priced in Mana, by selling them at a marketplace or exchanging them via in-game interaction. Axi Infinity. A third metaverse cryptocurrency investors simply can't stop buying is Axi Infinity. AX -3.32%. Among the 3 digital currencies listed here, it's been the top performer since the beginning of 2021, with a gain approaching 14,000%. To complete the trifecta, Axi Infinity is also built on the Ethereum blockchain. However, its gameplay offers a different experience than the Sandbox and Decentraland. This play-to-earn game involves users collecting, raising, breeding, upgrading, and fighting monsters known as axes. A user needs 3 axes before they can go to battle, with the winner receiving experience points that can be used to upgrade various aspects of their axes. Just as digital land is stored as an NFT on the Sandbox and Decentraland, each Axie is a unique NFT that users own. As noted, axes can be used in gameplay or monetized by selling them in a marketplace. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.